Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Think like a proton and stay positive. Let's begin. Now I'm going to discuss the difference between metals and non-metals on the basis of their physical properties. Metals are malleable in nature. Means they can be beaten into thin sheet. For example, aluminium. You already use the aluminium foil for wrapping the food items. Aluminium is metal which is used to make foil papers due to its malleability. But in case of a non-metals are non-malleable in nature. Because they cannot be beaten into a thin sheet. Because non-metals cannot be beaten into a thin sheet. Metals are ductile in nature. Metals are ductile in nature. Means they can show a ductility. Ductility means a property in which metal can be changed or beaten into thin wire. That's why metal is used to make many wiring. That's why metal is used in electrical wiring. But non-metals are not ductile in nature. Why metals are malleable or ductile and non-metals are not malleable and not ductile in nature? It is because metals are generally present in solid form. Metals are generally solid because their molecules, solid means their molecules are tightly packed in this way. Most of the metals are solid, but some exceptions are always there. For example, sodium. Sodium is soft metal. Sodium is a soft metal. And mercury, Hg. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Room temperature means at 273 Kelvin. In case of non-metals, about half of the non-metals are gases. If they are present in a gaseous form, then how we can change into a thin wire or a thin sheet? So they are not malleable and ductile. But except there are some exception is also in non-metals. Except diamond. Diamond is solid. Bromine is liquid at room temperature. Bromine is a non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. Diamond is actually allotrope of a carbon element, and carbon is also non-metal which is solid in nature. Next property of metals. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. That's why many cooking utensils are made up of metals, and it is also a good conductor of electricity. So that's why mostly electrical wires are made up of aluminium and copper. Because they are good conductor of conductors of electricity. But non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Next difference between metals and non-metals. Metals are sonorous in nature. Sonorous means which can produce sound. When something is hit on the metal object, it will produce sound. That's why, due to this property, metals are used to make school bells, violin, strings, etc. Sometime a question may be asked from this part and this part. What type of question may ask from this part? Why school bells are made up of metals? You have to mention in this question the sonorous property of metals. And sometime a question may also be asked from the conductivity. Why cooking utensils are made up of metals, and why electrical wires are generally made up of metals? Because of their good conductivity to heat and electricity. But in case of non-metals are non-sonorous in nature. Non-sonorous means which cannot produce sound. Another difference on the basis of physical property, metals are lustrous in nature. What does lustrous means? Luster means which provide shine. Due to this lustrous property, metals are used to make number of jewelry items. But in case of non-metals are not lustrous. Another difference, metals have high melting and boiling point. Because most of the metals are present in a solid forms, so that's why they need more temperature to melt or boil. But in case of a non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Listen students, today we have just discussed some important difference between metals and non-metals on the basis of their physical properties. I hope you understand this topic. We'll continue in next video. See you soon.